Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we will look at how to develop speech to text or text to speech, both kinds of application in a single app in React.js. So we have a specific library for React.js which is React Speech Kit. So on your screen you can see the demo right here. We have a text area where we allow the user to input any text that they want to convert to voice. So we have different voices, different languages of different countries, different accents. You can see UK accent, US accent, Indian accent, Spanish, Netherlands, Portuguese, Chinese, Japanese. So all these things, voices is available in the select list. So it is all coming using the Google API, Voices API. And now if you write any text, so let's suppose I write some text right here. So we have written this sentence, and now if I want to speak this information, I can basically select any accent. Let me select this Google UK English male voice. Click this button, speak.
My name is Gautam Sharma and I am a coder and blogger from India.
So you can see the accent, the words have been spoken, and let me select this accent, Google Dutch.
Mein Name ist Gautam Sharma and I am a coder and blogger from India.
You can see the vast difference in the accent in different languages. This was Dutch, this was English. Now let me put the Google Hindi
My name is
accent.
Gautam Sharma and I am a coder and blogger from India.
So we have different voices in both male and female in different languages. So
My name is Gautam Sharma India. I am a coder and blogger from India.
same goes with the speech to text as well. Basically, when we click the start listening button, the microphone access will be granted, and whatever speaking it is being captured in the text area. You can see that. So whenever you want to stop, you can click the stop button. That's all. So you can copy all the text that you've spoken. So these two applications I will show you. As I already told you, this is actually the module React Speech Kit. If you go to npmjs.com and just search for this module React Speech Kit, so this is actually your module, almost 2305 downloads. So just install this. I've already installed it. So what I will do, I will make a simple functional component, and right at the top we will import the module which using the import statement. So we have these two hooks, use speech synthesis, and the second one will be use speech recognition. So we have these two hooks imported from this package React Speech Kit, and after this we need to declare some state variables. So we need to have keep track of what text is written by the user. So we have this variable for it using the useState hook. Then we will have our recognize text. So whatever you are speaking through your microphone, we need to keep track of that also. You have this variable for that. Then we need to have the variable for holding different voices which will be coming in the select field. So initial value will be again null. So we have these three variables, we have declared it. Now we need to initialize our different methods of this library. So we can import them one by one. So it is all coming using this use speech synthesis, and using this library we have various methods. First is a speak, and then we have cancel and speaking, voices, and supported is of the type synthesis supported. So we have all these methods pre-made available in this library. So one by one we will use it, and similarly we will have for speech to text, we import this. So we have these methods: listen, stop, listening, and again supported of the type recognition, supported. And this actually takes an object, and in this object we have these callback functions. On result, this callback function will be executed whenever you are done speaking through your microphone. So all the data will be residing in this variable. So we can simply console log it just to see. And on end, so when you basically stop your microphone, then this also will execute callback. You can say speech recognition stopped. So basically the order of the function, this will execute first when you click the stop button, and then on result will execute holding all your data, whatever that you spoken. So this is the thing. And now we will initialize the different voices which will be coming in the select field using the use effect hook, which executes whenever you load your application. So this will be dependent upon the voices variable. So we have declared this variable, if you see. So just make it voices. Okay, sorry, I think this variable is different. This voices is coming using this built-in method. So we are using this method right here in the use effect hook. So we will have this if condition at if voices dot length is greater than 0. In that case, we need to set the voice, the first voice in the this array. We are using this hook function set voice, and we are embedding that. Now we need to construct the user interface in the JSX. So we will have this h1 heading, which will React speech kit demo. So inside this we will have text to speech, and we will embed this variable which is synthesis supported, and basically here we will check that if the speech to text is supported in text to speech is supported in your browser or not. If it is supported, in that case we will render this interface, but if it's not supported, then we will simply write text to speech not supported. So right here we will have this interface. We will have a simple label. So this label will simply say that enter the text, and then we'll be writing the text in this text area. So we will have the text area binded this on change event handler. So whenever you write something in this, set text will execute e.target.value. And then for the voices, we will be having a simple select list. So the actual value will be equal to the voice like this, and it also be giving an on change event handler to it. So set voice, and you will simply loop through voices.find. So e.target.value. So in this way, we have binded an on change event handler. So when you select any voice from the select picker, you will be binding it. And inside this select list, we will loop through all the voices. So using this map operator, so we'll be creating an option right here, option tag. we'll be having this key here and the actual value, which will be the voice name, and inside this we will say the name of the voice, depend also showing the information, the language. So if you refresh now, go to the page, you will see all your voices will be there in the select list. We have the text area as well, and now we just need a simple button. After this select, so you will simply say conditionally render the button text. So if the user is speaking, in that case we will change it to speaking, and if they are not speaking, in that case we'll say speak. So basically bind an on-click listener to this button. So when we click this button, we'll be executing this function handle speak. So this button will be disabled if the property of speaking, this boolean parameter, if it's true, then this button will be disabled. So if you refresh, we do need to define this function handle speak. So you'll see this button is not disabled because we have this property to false. So now we just need to define this function handle speak. So if the text is available like this, we can need to invoke the speak function that we have. So it will speak these words. Here we need to provide the text and the actual voice. That's all. So if you now test it out, if you write something right here, select your voice.
Hello, I am Gotham.
So you can see the text to speech is working. Now I will come to the speech to text. Same right here. After we just come out of this div, we will have another div section where now this time we will have speech to text. Again we'll be here in checking this recognition supported. So if it's not supported, in that case you can say so we will just have this section. So I will just paste it out. So all the source code will be given in the description. So right here we have the second section, speech to text. Here again we are comparing recognition supported or not. If the recognition is supported, then we have this label. We have again this text area. We are binding this recognize text. So whatever that you speak. And right here, whenever you click the button, we are executing this listen function that is part of this library. And we are passing this interim results to true. And when you click the stop button, then we simply click execute the stop function, and you can see when we click the stop button, we are executing the stop function. So if you execute now, click start listening, so whatever that you speak right here, it is being captured in the text area. So you can see that now we can speak whatever through microphone, and it has been capturing. So this is actually the application, guys. We built text to speech and speech to text in different languages and voices using this React Speech Kit library. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of free tools regarding audio and video. And I will be seeing you in the next video.